Hi guys, I'm Syful here with neat and clean handwriting motivation shorts for you. Neat handwriting reflects a disciplined mind and a focused spirit. It shows you are organized and pay attention. In the dance of ink on paper, let your handwriting be a graceful choreography. Make your writing smooth and elegant. The beauty of clear penmanship lies in its ability to convey thoughts with precision and clarity. Your writing should be easy to read and understand. Every stroke of the pen is a brushstroke of elegance on the canvas of paper. Each mark you make should be graceful and neat. In a world of chaos, let your handwriting be the tranquil oasis of order. Your writing should bring calmness and structure. Neat handwriting is not just about aesthetics, it's a testament to your respect for communication. Good handwriting shows you care about what you write. The pen becomes an artist when guided by a hand committed to neatness and precision. Your writing becomes art when you write carefully and neatly. Let your handwriting be a reflection of the care you put into every word you write. Show that you value your words by writing them neatly. Neat handwriting is like a melody in the symphony of written expression. Your writing should flow smoothly and harmoniously. Precision in penmanship breeds clarity in communication. Clear writing helps people understand your message. Your handwriting is your signature on the world. Make it bold, clear, and unforgettable. Your writing should stand out and be memorable. In the realm of words, let your handwriting be the epitome of refinement. Make your writing the best it can be.